everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. So it's been a weekend this weekend. I had my best intentions of getting this challenge video out to you guys yesterday, but it just wasn't happening. It was not in the cards for me to do any DIYs Friday or Saturday. I tried so hard on Friday to do a DIY for you for this challenge, and well, I wasn't feeling great. My nose was stuffy, sore throat, allergies, blah 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 blah. It just was not good. So yeah, I tried, it didn't work out. Total fail. Yeah, total fail. So no, very embarrassing, total fail. So then Saturday, I was like, I'm gonna get this done. I woke up, I saw everybody else's videos. I'm gonna try something different and it's gonna be great. And yeah, that didn't turn out either. So, yeah. So then I gave up again and decided I'm gonna try Sunday. So I got up Sunday. DIY fail. Big fail. Didn't work out again. I tried something different. I don't know what was wrong with me this weekend, but I didn't give up. That's why I'm doing this video right now. I didn't give up. So I am here to do the Fall DIY Dupes Challenge, hosted by Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner, and also Kristen from Eclectic Kristen. Check out their channels linked down below. Also, check out the playlist that is linked down below. I know I did. I watched, I think, almost everybody's video in the playlist, and they have some great DIYs out there. So don't forget to check them out after you're done here. So the fourth time is the charm, I guess, for this case, because I am doing something totally different again. I am gonna try these napkin rings from Pure One that I really love, and I think they're super cute and would go with my house and my decor that I'm doing this year for fall. So let's give it a shot. Stick around to find out how they turn out. Alright, so what I'm gonna need for these napkin rings are 3 of these pumpkin filler picks from Dollar Tree, a pack of the shower curtain rings, some twine, which I got mine from Home Depot, but you can get this from Dollar Tree, some paint, which I already had, this blue chalky paint. You can use acrylic paint. The Apple Barrel brand from Walmart would work fine, and it's only like $1 or $1.50. Then I have some toothpicks and some floral foam just to help me hold up the pumpkins while I paint them. And then a paintbrush, my wire cutters, and my hot glue gun. So I'm going to be making 8 of these napkin rings. So it cost me roughly about $4 to make 8 of these. I only had to purchase the pumpkin fillers and the shower curtain rings because I had everything else. But if you did need to purchase the twine and the paint, like I said, you could get that for $1, and then you could get this for $1 or $1.50. So it cost you all in all about $5 or $6 to make 8 of these rings. And I think that's pretty good because they are selling for about $3.99 a piece on Pure One's website. And for 8 of them, it would cost you like $32. So this is a pretty good deal. So I can't wait to see how they turn out, and hopefully this is not a fail like the rest of the project. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut these pumpkins off here. I'm gonna make sure that I cut some of this string here so that way it has a stem, because otherwise it won't have a stem if I don't do that. All right, so now when my pumpkins are drying, I am going to cover the shower curtain rings in the twine. And all I'm gonna do is start at one point and hot glue it and then keep wrapping it around. Okay, so now my pumpkins are dry and my rings are wrapped. All I'm going to do now is take 2 leaves off of the pumpkin filler bush here and probably cut them down, and then hot glue 1 to each side and then glue a pumpkin in the center of those leaves. Alright guys, so I think they turned out super cute. They may not look exactly like the Pier 1 ones do. That makes sense. But they turned out really cute. So I'm happy with them, and I obviously need more napkins to fill them. But napkins are also super expensive, so I'm not gonna try to DIY those. Yeah, I'll just wait until they go on sale. So anyways, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to hit the bell to get notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, bye-bye.